In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to find which WordPress theme a site is using. If you want to find out which WordPress theme a site is using, then today I'm going to show you a really cool tool that you can use to find it. Before we start, I'm just going to go to my themes, and as you can see, I currently have the Astra theme installed on my website. Now, I'm going to go to this site. I'll link it in the description below. This is the IsItWP site. This is going to help us identify the theme a site is using, among other things. So, just paste in the URL of the site you want to know about. I'm going to paste the URL of my site here. Then click on Analyze Site. And after a few seconds, there's going to be a lot of information about that site that you can view. And here you can see the WordPress theme installed on that site. This is how you can find which WordPress theme a site is using. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.